Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this KB5067036 or KB5067931 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code 0x80070003. Now the first step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, now click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, you can now update your Windows 11 again and then check. If that does not work, pause and restart the update. For this, you can go to Windows Update over here, and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause. Once paused, now resume updates. And if you see retry option, you can even try retry and then check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, copy the second command. Paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command. Paste it and then hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5067036 or KB5067931, whichever update is giving you error. Now click on search over here. Now let me change the language over here. Now you have to check the version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Over here you can see in my case it's version 25H2, and then check the system type. So go to system, go to about option. Here you can see the system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download, and then you will see the update name over here, KB5067036 in my case. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. You can use this option. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once the reinstall is done, restart your computer. And this time when you go, if you have Windows 11 version 25H2, you will see the repair version. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2, you will see the repair version. Once this is done, now you can try to install those updates and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can go to this Microsoft link. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Just run this exe file, and once you run the exe file, click on accept over here. Click on, by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, you can click on finish over here. Once you click on finish, let this close automatically. This will take a few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files in app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these two updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.